Another trend we're seeing this holiday season is an increased use of AI chatbots. Bank of America has some new research out quantifying it, showing that Salesforce indicated use of AI online chatbots was up 31% year on year. And sites with AI services had a 9% increase in conversion rates. Joining us now is the author behind the piece, Justin Post, internet research analyst at Bank of America. So the stuff really kind of works, Justin. Welcome.
Great. Thanks for having me on. I appreciate it.
Where in particular do you think they're successful?
Sure. I think they really help people find deals, and people are looking for value this holiday. Not a lot of chatbot usage last year, so the numbers are really up strong year over year. But the sites that have really integrated with AI and integrated their data with AI are seeing a nice uptick in traffic this year. So when people go on the site and say, where can I buy the best product at the lowest price, AI chatbots are driving that traffic to retailers right now.
Okay, so can you give me some I have had zero experience with that. So in other words, are you saying people are going to like OpenAI and asking for deals, or are these chatbots that exist on a website that they have to go visit or on an app that they have to go find?
Sure, it could be general usage as a traffic director on OpenAI or Google with AI overviews. Or some of the sites have integrated AI technology where you can ask questions while you're on the site. So it's driving traffic to retailers, and then once you're on the site, you can use AI and it's improving conversion rates. So it's kind of a double impact for the sites that have AI technology.
Yeah, and again, we had a fun package where I used Nibble on, I think it was like a mattress site, maybe a beauty site, to try to get a deal. But my experience was kind of mixed, and it wasn't clear that it was really driving deals in the first place. But again, I'm sure there are people out there who are really refining their use of these things, right?
Absolutely. I think you get better at using them as you use them more. And Google did point that out with AI overviews. Those that use them more are growing at a faster rate than those who haven't tried it. So it's kind of a habit, and people get better at it over time.
What would be your kind of stock plays kind of stemming from all of this? If this is going to continue, and as we know with new technology, we're going to see more and more adoption.
Sure. I think Amazon, which has a whole cloud division and AWS division, is going to be really strong with usage of AI. We were encouraged with the Black Friday data, sales growth at or above our expectations for the whole holiday season, despite all the earlier promotions in October. So someone like Amazon is going to be very strong integrating AI into their retail site, and we think a key beneficiary, and also appearing to be having a pretty good holiday so far. So there's a stock we like. Other stocks that use AI are on the media side, like Meta, that has pretty good integration with AI. And I think you'll see some new things from them next year that's quite interesting.
And just finally, a couple of your other top e-commerce stocks, RH, Chewy, AppLovin, do these have any kind of overlap with our discussion?
Sure. I think RH is more of a play on housing. I know we were talking about that with Home Depot, but certainly expect them to benefit from lower rates and a housing recovery. So on the smaller cap side, there's a stock we like that's done well this year, but the housing cycle we think is just starting. It's been depressed for 2 years. So for that reason, we think Restoration Hardware is pretty interesting here.
All right. Justin, thanks for joining us. Really appreciate your time.
Sure. Glad to be here.
Justin Post with Bank of America.